makes us unique is that we not only think through like how we support our students in all of the areas of academic need, but that we truly try to embody like all of the elements of educational equity with both how we support our staff and how we support our students. So I think that that is just like a really unique component of Conservatory Green Middle School, because we really continually look at ways to just level up how we, support educational equity on our campus.
Conservatory Green isn't just focused on making sure we as an individual grows, but we as a community grow, and that our impact is going to be felt on the rest of the world.
The family nature of CG Middle, we have very close contact with the students and their families. I think it builds a great rapport to speak with students and their families and get to know them on a more personal level.
The thing I love most about working at Conservatory Green is getting to know students and making relationships over the years.
The community that we work in and just how much everybody cares and supports each other.
We have such a inclusive community in which we just continue to branch out, and we are so receptive to feedback and really meeting the needs of both our staff and students.
Belonging.
Community-oriented.
Supportive.
Inclusive.
Determined.
My favorite thing about going to CG is the community and all the glorious people that go to this school, and all the faculty and staff members that help the school become such an amazing community, and it's just a very cool experience to be here.
What I love about CG is the community, because it's very interactive, very supportive, and they're very kind to you.
What I love most about CG is probably the teachers and the faculty members. They're really nice and supportive.
When you don't know something, the teachers will help you, and there's a lot of good friends.
And what I love most about CG is probably the teachers and the students, because last year and this year they helped me a lot, and they're very supportive, and the students here are very nice. Not a lot of them, not really all of them are mean or at all. They're very nice, very friendly, and yeah, that's what I love.